Welcome to an extraordinary lifestyle where you live far removed yet not far away. A unique 3.5-acre estate site with approximately 300 feet of beach frontage, yoga pavilion, and staff quarters, all neighboring stunning island estates on the world-renowned island paradise of Parrot Cay. An opportunity to custom build the beach villa of your dreams on one of the most sought-after properties is now within your reach. This 1.5 square mile cay, located off the coast of Providenciales, offers 5-star unparalleled services and accommodations that promise sophistication for the private-seeking elite. Popular as a place to revisit health and to find balance, the island features a variety of wellness retreats and services, including many natural and holistic healing therapies, and a full host of spa services. Let your investment in Parrot Cay be your sanctuary.